বিরোধীদের হই হট্টগোলের জেরে সংসদের বাজেট অধিবেশনের দ্বিতীয় পর্ব শুরুর দিন থেকেই ছিল সরগরম। লোকসভায় বিদেশমন্ত্রী ডক্টর এস জয়শঙ্কর পশ্চিম এশিয়ার উদ্ভূত পরিস্থিতি নিয়ে সাংসদদের অবগত করেন। তিনি বলেন, সেখানে বসবাসকারী ভারতীয়দের স্বার্থে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার একাধিক অ্যাডভাইজারি করেছে।
This was again reiterated in very strong terms through another advisory on 23 February. Some heeded these advisories and have left the country. However, many others have disregarded them and remain in Iran. We are also in touch with fishermen who operate out of Iraq. This, sir, was the situation till 28 February 2026. Honorable Chairman, sir, once the conflict commenced, the Indian Embassy has facilitated the relocation of several Indian students in Tehran to places outside Tehran. An advisory update with emergency contact helplines was issued on 3 March. Similarly, facilitation was extended to pilgrims who were there in Iran for their internal movement. Indian nationals who were in Iran for business purposes were assisted to cross over to Armenia and to return home. The embassy in Tehran remains fully operational, I should say, in fact, on the highest alert. They are totally committed to supporting the Indian community in this difficult situation and in assisting Indian nationals who may wish to cross international borders.